Honored to have you here. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Keep up the good work. And yes.
And just to think, I'm from Afghanistan. I'm the president for the Afghan community here in Utah, and I worked with the U.S. Special Forces in Afghanistan for 14 years. Almost every day. And the second thing, one of my favorite things we were taking the job from outside.
Let me tell you my background. Well, thank you. Again, we know you all come from different circumstances that brought you here. We thank the good Lord for bringing you. We're happy to have you here. A variety of backgrounds, the diversity you bring to us. Your life's experience with the learn from, boy, in the Middle East, that's a tough. I was with Prime Minister Netanyahu in Israel, and he said to me, Gary, we live in a very dangerous neighborhood. Probably an understatement of the day.
Yeah.
So, well, you're here in a very safe neighborhood. So thank you very much. Thank you. We're gonna get a picture with everybody, and then we'll take a couple of individuals. Okay.